Information to help you through stock market trading. If you listen to the news, you might be a little reluctant to begin investing in the stock market. However, the truth is, if you have the right information and guidance, you can do very well in the stock market. Use this solid advice to make sure that you get good returns on all your investments. A great tip that most investors could use is to make a rule where you automatically sell off your stocks if they go down in value by about 8% of the original stock price. Lots of times stockholders are praying for a rebound that never comes, and they end up losing even more money. Don't focus solely on the stock prices when choosing investments. Although a company's stocks may rise temporarily, crashing and burning is very possible. It is the best idea to research different businesses and find out which ones typically do the best over the long term. Use research to make the best choices. When it comes to investing, make sure you're educated. Learn the basics of accounting and stock market history. If you're not educated, you won't be able to make money and you'll look like a fool. You don't need a 4-year accounting degree or anything fancy, but take the time to learn the necessary information. You should invest money in stocks that are damaged, but you should avoid companies that are. Make sure you are investing in companies that have a small downturn and not a permanent loss of value. An example of a situation that causes a temporary downturn in a company's stock value is the panic created by a missed deadline caused by a fixable material shortage. However, a company when harmed by a scandal might not be recoverable. If you've got the right information, making an investment in the market can provide great returns. Using these tips above can help you practice so that you can get the results that you desire. One of the worst things you can ever do with a stock is to rush in, employ a little patience, implement some solid tactics, and you should have no trouble profiting. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.